Hey guys, my name is Hanvat Dubey and I'm back with another solving query problem on arrays. So today's problem is to sort an array which is having only three elements, that is zeros, ones and twos only. And we have to sort in such a way that all zeros in the array come first, then the ones come, then the at the last comes all the twos. So if we see one example, the length of array is 5 and the elements in the arrays are 0, 2, 1, 2, 0. So what will be the output? First we'll print both the zeros present here, so 0, 0, then the 1 which is only 1, so we'll have the 1, and then we have to print the rest of the twos which are only twice 2, so 2 2, so 0 0 1 2 2. This is the output. So what we'll do is we'll take three variables as a counter to see what is the count of zeros, ones and twos. And when we have counted the uh, what will say the how many times it occurs, then we can, you know, print them that many times and skip to other. First we'll print how many times zero was there, then we'll print the number of times ones was there, and then we can print twos. As there are only three elements, we know that, so we can use it as in this way. So let's code it down. First let's write the driver code, which is the main part for public static void main. So yep, so here we are. So first make an app object for scanner class, which will be sc, and system.in is the input from the keyboard we are taking. First let's take the input for the length of the array. Now let's declare the array we'll be having, the unsorted array, actually the input array. So now let's take a for loop to take inputs from the user. Arr of I equals to c dot xint. Okay, so now we have taken the input from the array, so the array is ready. So now we'll take one function and print the, you know, what we'll say, print the sorted array. So let's call a function, let it be counter. Okay, we'll be uh, sending the array. So let's make the function, new function, public static void counter. So as the function is not giving any, returning any value, so it will be void as the data type could be used. So now we have called the array here. So let's take three counter variables as a, b and c, which are counting the occurrence of 0, 1s and 2s respectively. Now let's run a loop from int I equals 0 till I is then arr dot length I plus plus. Now we'll see if arr of I equals to 0, then increment a, else if if r of I equals to 1, then increment b, else we can just increment c, because we know there are only three elements, zeros, ones and twos. So now what we'll do, we'll run another loop, int j equals to from 0 till r dot length, uh, increment j, actually this will be j, yeah. So now what we will do, if j um is less than equal to a, then we'll be printing uh 0, else if j is less than equal to b, then we'll be printing 1, else we can just print out 2. So this is the function we have wrote. Let's just check if 0 is 2 times, so a will be 2, so that will be less than only, not less than equal to, because we are actually running from 0, so this will be also less than b. So let's just run it. I guess there is no error. So now we have to input the length of array, which will be 5. Now let's just input the elements of the array. Let it be 0, 1, 2, 2, 0. So yeah, so there were only two zeros, so first the zeros were printed, then there were only one, so the 1 was printed, then there were twice 2, so 2 times 2 were printed. So this is the sort array which which was the desired output we wanted. So yeah, I hope you all got my approach, and see you in the next lecture. Thank you.